Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to all. Welcome to my video. My name is Dimas Redidawi. I am from Universitas Negeri Semarang. As a university student, I'm always excited to explore and share the incredible cultural wealth of our country. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey to a beautiful coastal city in East Kalimantan, Indonesia called Bontang. Bontang is a small city, and even though it's small, it still has its own culture, and in this video, we will talk about its culinary. Imagine a dish that is not just served to you, but it's served on a hot clay plate. It has a spicy, savory, and incredibly aromatic flavor. Today, we are going to dive deep into Bontang's most iconic culinary masterpiece, Sambal Gamibawis. Before we get into the center of the video, first of all, I will explain to you what is sambal gami. In Indonesia, sambal gami usually refers to a chili paste or sauce that accompanies a main dish. However, in Bontang, sambal gami is the main star. The word gami itself originates from the local Kutai language, which is historically refers to a specific way of preparing a chili paste infused with shrimp paste. What makes it unique from any other Indonesian sambal is the cooking method. It is prepared, cooked, and served directly on a traditional earthenware mortar or clay plate over an open flame. Now, let's talk a little bit about its history. Bontang is a coastal city surrounded by the sea, and historically many of its inhabitants were fishermen, particularly from the Kutai and Bugis communities. In the past, fishermen spent days out at the sea. To survive the cold sea breeze and keep their spirits up, they needed food that was warm, hearty, and packed with flavor. They used simple, long-lasting ingredients like chilies, shallots, and shrimp paste, then combined them with their fresh catch of the day. Over generations, this coastal comfort food evolved from a simple fisherman's meal into a prized heritage dish that defines the identity of Bontang City. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part, the flavor. What does sambal gami bawis actually taste like? The moment you eat this dish, it's an absolute explosion of flavors in your mouth. First, you get that bold fire kick from the fresh chilies, which immediately wakes up your senses. But it's not just heat and chilies. It is instantly followed by a deep, smoky umami flavor from the grilled shrimp paste, or terasi, that has been caramelized by the hot clay plate. Then comes the perfect balance. The abundance of thickly sliced shallots adds a subtle, juicy sweetness and a slight crunch, while the cooked tomatoes melts down into a refreshing, tangly acidity that cuts through the richness of the oil. And what about bawis fish? Because it is cooked slowly inside the sambal, the fish meat becomes incredibly tender, moist, and flaky. It absorbs all the spicy and savory juices like sponge. Every bite, every bite is hot and complex, comforting, honestly highly addictive. It's the kind of dish that makes you want to keep reaching for more rice. Now we came to the conclusion. Sambal Gami Bawis is more than just a dish. It's a reflection of Bontang's rich maritime history, the warmth of its people, and the brilliant utilization of local ingredients. If you ever visit East Kalimantan, Trying this culinary gem is an absolute must. That wraps up my presentation for today's assignment. I hope this video gives you a taste of Indonesian incredibly culinary diversity. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to appreciate local food, and I'll see you in the next video or other video. Goodbye everyone.